to do some math today. It's a Saturday morning. I know it's painful to get up early, right? Do you guys know how to count yet? Let's counting together. So we'll do 1. After 1 is, can you guys help me? Actually, don't need to mute everybody. Let everybody speak right now so I can hear the counting. I want to see how the counting goes by the people. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. Okay, let me do this. I see somebody. Let me see what I can see everybody's name. Okay, if I see your name, I'm gonna call you and try to see whether you can answer me. How about what is after 5? Emma. Emma, can you talk back to me?
6.
6, good. Okay, now I'm gonna ask Chloe, what is after 20?
What is after 20? You don't know? Yes, she's very small.
She's small. Okay, what is after 4?
What is after 4?
5.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. So let me find another person to ask. Who is brave? Raise your hand. Who is very brave? Chloe is very brave. Okay. I just talked to Chloe, so I'm going to talk to James, okay? James. James, are you ready? What is after 19?
20.
Wow, James, very brave. Okay, let me find another brave person. Can you raise your hand if you're really brave? It's getting harder. Anybody? Okay, I see Catherine. Let's try Catherine. Okay, what is after 99?
100.
Is it too hard?
100.
100, very good. So you know, what's the biggest number you can count up to? Catherine, did you try counting at home before? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, I'm going to ask another person now, okay? So let's see. Someone's shaking. Benjamin, can you talk to me too? Okay. Oops. Am I doing the right thing? Okay, Benjamin. I haven't even asked you a question yet. What is after 58?
58. 59.
Okay, good. So, let me ask somebody who has no screen, no camera. Okay, let me ask Anna. Anna, 1 second. Let me unmute you. Anna, you ready? What is before 28?
27.
Good job. Very good. Okay, let me see. What about Eva? Are you ready? Let me see. Are you ready? Eva,
Yeah.
okay, let's do that. What is before 6?
4, 6. 5.
5. Good job. Okay, let's see. Okay, Zoe. Let me see Zoe. Zoe's ready. Okay. Let's see what I did a good job here. Zoe, ready? What is before 20?
It is
Very good. Okay. So I see that you guys knows how to count up and count down, right? So when you count up, you're doing in the way you are helping yourself to do addition. When you're counting down, you are helping yourself to do subtraction. Okay. So let's see where you are. Okay. Anybody can do this one? Do you know how to raise hand with the Zoom? Any parents are here behind them? So if you know how to do 3 plus 5, raise your hand in the Zoom. You know the Zoom like thumbs up? 3 plus 5 is, how many people already know? Okay, how many people don't know 3 plus 5? Okay, there are some people may not know, so I'm gonna briefly go through that, okay? So whenever you see two numbers add together, like in this case, 3 plus 5, right? What I do is this. I always look at this two number and see which number is bigger. What is bigger? Bigger is the number when you're counting, it's on, on the later of the talk. So you say 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5 is bigger. Okay, when you're counting upwards, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is bigger. What I do is this. I put a 5, as I said in my video earlier, maybe you guys didn't see. I put this 5, the bigger number, in my heart. And then I put the small number on my fingers. So there are three fingers being holding up, right? So I have 5 here. And I'm going to start counting from the number right after 5. What's the number right after 5? Somebody just told me earlier it was 6, right? So you do this. 6, 7, 8. So actually 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay? So now I hope everybody knows 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay? So now 4 plus 6. We had a little, I'm asking parents to release a song to all of you. It's the pair of 10. So we're going to talk about pair of 10. You guys hear the pair of 10 song, right? What we say is that their numbers are pair of 10. So 0 and 10 make a 10. Okay? 1 and I see, let me see who want to talk. Looks like a, you know what? Arena, let me see. I see you. Hold on. Arena, what's the number for one's pair?
9.
Very good, 9. So now I'm going to ask another person. It's not working. How do you unmute? Okay, got it. Huh? Is that Zachary? Zachary, you want to talk to me? Okay, Zachary, what's the pair for 2? Can you see? What's the pair for 2, Zachary?
Correct.
8.
8. Very good. So what's the pair for 3? Let me find another person. Okay, James. James, ready. James. What's the pair for 3? James, are you ready?
Yes.
Can you tell me?
30.
Did you say 7?
No, 30.
Excuse me?
30.
13? Are you serious? We are trying to make a 10 right here. It's called pair of 10. So 3, what we say here, pair of 10 is this, okay? You have 10 fingers, right? We take away 3 fingers. How many fingers do we have?
7.
It's 5, 6, 7. So pair of 10 for 3 It's 7. Okay? So this is 7. So what about 4? Let me see who is going to raise their hand. 4. Why Avery? That's not a girl's name. Is it a girl's name or daddy's name?
Yes.
Avery.
Avery, yeah.
Avery.
6.
6? Good, thank you. Okay, now I'm going to ask the next person. Let me see who never raised their hand. Can someone never raise their hand? Oh, Catherine, good. I'm going to see Catherine. I never see her raise her hand. Okay, Catherine, so what's the pair for 5?
5.
Very good. Do you know that? That's all the numbers we need for pair of 10. The reason is, so pair of 10 for 8 is 2. For 2, it's 8. For 3, it's 7. For 7, it's 3. For 4, it's 6. For 6, it's 4. For 5, it's 5. For 5, it's 5. For 10, it's 0. 1 is 9. And 9 is 1. So let's do a game, okay? I know for sure your parents are next to you. So let's grab your parents, okay? Can you grab them? Grab them, please. We need somebody to be partner, okay? What you do is this, you tell your partner, okay, your partner can be your mom, dad, brother, sister, you know, tell your partner, now we're gonna play a game together. Let's see who's faster. You two are competing, okay? The parents' partner is competing with the students. Oh, yo, I see she wants to ask a question. Honor, you ask a question? Hold on 1 second. Why is not listening to me? Yes, Honor, do you want to ask a question?
100 plus 100 equals 200. 700 plus 300 equals 1000.
Very good. That's right. Thank you. Okay, now we're going to ask everybody to play a game together, okay? With your partner, please. I don't see parents next to you. So let's grab them. Grab them, please. They have to be involved, okay? So let's be quick. You tell your parents, I'm going to be the boss, okay? When I say 3, you have to give me the pair of 10. They have to give you 7. If they didn't say 7, you score, okay? You score 1 point, and let's keep track who is the winner. So now let's do you are the host. Your parents will answer you. And then we switch role to see who is going to be the winner, okay? Like who is faster, who is more accurate. Okay, can we do that? Let's do that. So I say 1, or you say to your own parents. You say 1, and hopefully your mom knows how to say 9. I don't see everybody's participating. Some are doing very well. I see Henry is doing well with his father. That's good. I see Emily is doing well. Emily looks like with a brother or daddy together. And I see Yuanbao. Yuanbao, are you working with your parents? I see you looking at someone. Oh my God, who is Hao Hao? Hao Hao, you give me a bud. I see Anna is happy. Did you done your job yet? I see George. What are you doing, George? You look so happy. but somebody's parents not helping. I see 小梦，梦梦，你怎么了？ Are you okay? Are you there? And I see a lot of parents don't even show the video, okay? That's hard to see. I see Evelyn. Evelyn is looking at mom or what? Hi. And your baby sister is helping you? Thank you. Okay, let's see. Looks like Chloe's mom is helping for sure. I see Eva's dad is helping. Emma's mom is helping. That's very good. Okay, I see a lot of parents are helping, but some parents doesn't seem like helping. Zachary is happy, very happy over there. Okay, so now I hope you really did the exercise. Okay. Oh, good, good. Thank you, Catherine. You guys are so sweet. That's very good. Oh, give your mom a hug. That's very good. Okay. Okay. So now I hope all of you really understand the pair of 10. This pair of 10 is very crucial. The reason for that is, let's see, I'm going to get a new board. So I'm going to erase this. Can, oh, wow. Looks like. Serena, help. 我试着 unmute， 诶，我有 unmute， 好像成功了。I was trying to unmute Ivy. Ivy, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Ivy, what's special about 4 and 6?
They are a pair of 10.
Very good. Whenever you see pair of 10, what does that tell you? Pair of 10, what's the definition of pair of 10? It means the two numbers add together equal 10, right? That's the pair of 10. So if you see pair of 10, you don't use your brain. You give me answer. What's 4 plus 6? Use your hand. Give me an answer. What is 4 plus 6?
10.
Very good. 10, right? 4 plus 6 equal 10. Whenever you see that, let me do another one. Quick, quick. 10? Good job. Okay. Good, good. Still 10, right? Okay, that's good. So it looks like you guys nailed this down already, okay? So I'm going to give a little harder. Okay, look. I know people, let's see. So we have this, can you see the board, right? I hope you can. It's pretty clear, is it? Why it looks like mirror image? You can see, right? Is that 8 plus 6? Can you see that? Serena,
Oh, yeah.
do you see 8 plus 6 or you see flipping version?
I can see 8 plus 6.
Okay, good. Because when I see the camera, I see the mirror image of 8 plus 6.
Oh, I think that's the first time for you to use Zoom and you didn't set up the mirror version yet.
Oh no, I see. No wonder. I was like, oh my God, it looked like mirror image. How can you guys see? Thank you. So when you do 8 plus 6, Hannah, can you help me? What is 8 plus 6? How would you do that?
Say it. You just told me that. So Hannah just used her fingers and toes, and she just told me that that's 14.
Okay, there are many ways to do this, okay? One way I'm going to teach you earlier, which is, actually I taught earlier, is you find the number which is bigger in these two groups, right? Two groups, it's 8. 8 is after 6. So when you count it, it's 6, 7, 8. So 8 is bigger. and you put 8 in your heart, okay? And then put 6 fingers on your hand. So what is after 8? It's 9, right? Then you do 9, 10, 11, 12, 16. Oh, sorry, what did I do wrong? No, I didn't do wrong. It's what is after 8 is 9. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's okay to use finger to count, okay? Let's try not to use toes and grandma's toe. Let's just using our own 10 fingers in the beginning. How about that? How do we do that? We eliminate one number. We put this number in the heart, okay? Then we can count with only one finger, okay? Okay, you guys okay, right? So when you do this, 8 plus 6, so you do this, six finger, the smaller number on your hand. So after 9, 8 is 9, right? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this answer is 14 if you use your finger, right? Hannah said that is 14 with toes if we need it. But try not to use your own toes or other people's toes. Just use your own finger, okay? That's one method. But everybody here already learned pair of 10. So what we do here is this. We find the pair of 10 for 8. What is pair of 10 for 8? Okay, let me see. I see Zoe is very nice too. Why this? Okay, Zoe.
2.
Good job. So I'm going to write 2 here, okay? So Zoe told me that pair of 10 for 8 is 2. So how do I get 2 from the 6? So what I do is this. I'm going to draw a little like zigzag. So I needed 2 to make a pair of 10 for 8. And I know that the only way I can get 2 is from 6. So what I do is this. I bring my fingers again. I have 6 fingers, okay? And I'm going to take away 2 for the pair of 10 for 8. So my 2 fingers disappear, okay? Gone. Now how many fingers do I have? 4, right? So I write down 4. What did I say? Pair of 10, that's 10. Left with a 4, that's 14. Because 10 and 4 together, we call that 14, right? So if we use the pair of 10 method, it also tells us the answer is 14. Which one's faster? Actually, if you get used to this one is faster because you don't need to use your fingers as much. You try to minimize finger, you know? So what you do is in your head, you tell yourself, 6, take away 2. Why we take away 2? Because we want to make a pair of 10 for 8. Okay? The 8 is lonely, right? So we make the pair of 10 for 8. And then we take away the pair of 10 for 8, which is 2. Left is 4. So the answer is 14. Is that okay? Everybody okay? Yes or no? Do you still need to use a lot of fingers and toes, or you're fine just with one fingers, one hand? Let's try to do everything with only one hand. Can you do it? So 8 plus 6, can you do it with only one hand now? Yes? I see a lot of people's screen are just blank. So can't see anything. Okay, I assume you got it. Is that okay? Is that fair for me to assume you got it? 8 plus 6 is 10 plus 4, which is 14. You can consider this as like regrouping because we changed the 6 to 2 and 4. So make this pair of 10 and left this residue of 4, so it's 14. So let's try another one. Okay, we have a 219 plus 5 on this board, right? So how many people can give me answer? Can you write on your piece of paper and raise it for me? Like this. So pretend it's a paper, right? So I'm gonna write some number and then you show me. Can you do that? Everybody, can you write something and show me? If you forgot, don't forget that a while ago I said that you can always use your finger to count, right? So 219, which one's bigger? Is it 219 or it's 5? Which one's bigger? Which one's bigger? 5 or 219? Don't be so busy. Actually, I want you to think first, not just writing. Think before you write. Let's think about it, okay? Always think first before you write. So which number is bigger? 219 is bigger. Very good, Ivy. I see Ivy show me 219 is bigger. Thank you. Just show me which number is bigger, okay? Next time, write on your piece of paper and raise it so I can see. I see Ivy showed me 219 is bigger. Benjamin, what do you show me? A little upper, I cannot see. Okay, I see, what's her, there's no name. There's somebody showing me, but no name. Okay, Benjamin, I don't see you. I see you write down what I wrote. Somebody has no name, but she showed me something. Okay, let me see. Anybody else want to show me? I want to see whether you, okay, good. Chelsea, how do you pronounce your name? Chelsea showed 219. Okay, I see Henry showed 219 is bigger than 8? I only have 5, young man. You can say 219 is bigger than 5. Okay, good job. So anybody else? 219 is bigger, okay? So we need to make sure everybody agree. 219 is bigger. I see Elan. Is that Elan? Elan? Yeah, 219, okay? Okay, next is this. Before we do the problem, and tell me, if you take 219, add 5, would the result be smaller or bigger? Can you answer that? Smaller, you put your hands up. If it's, oh no, sorry, if it's bigger, you do this, thumbs up. If it's smaller, you do thumbs down. So is the end result bigger or smaller? Bigger or smaller? This means no, I don't know. Is this? No, I want to see clearly. Up or down? This means I don't know. Okay, up or down? Okay, good. So you need to know that whether it's up or down, you do it yourself, okay? 219. I already have 219 candies, okay? Chocolate candy. How about that? I have 219 chocolate candy during the Halloween hunt. And then my mom gave me 5 more candies. Would I have more candy or less candy? Oh, you just said it. It's 5 more candies. So must be more candies, right? So 219 plus 5 is more than 219, right? So it's more, okay? Now we know that 219 is bigger. A while ago I said that. Put a bigger number in your heart. So 219, right here, okay? So what is after 219? Oh, maybe it's hard, but that's okay. So what is after 19? You say, oh my God, that's hard too. That's okay. So what is after 9? Anybody can tell me? What is after 9? Use your fingers. 10, I see 10. Good. So after 9, we have to make it 10 because the 9 is the biggest digit in the decimal system, right? So after 9, we actually have to write 0. So we said after 9 is 10. So 10, that has a little carry. So 219, actually 1 plus 1 equal 2. So after 219 is 220. Okay? So I have 5 fingers, 219 here. The number right after 219 is 220, okay? 220, 221, 222, 223, 224. So I have to write 224. If anybody has a number less than 219, then it's not correct. As we said earlier, we have more candy, so the number should be bigger, okay? And then 224 is the after 219, let's try. 219, 220, 221, 222, 223, 224, 224 is after 219. So that's correct. So before you can do addition, make sure you know how to count, okay? So everybody okay? Actually, if you know how to do 219, even your mom tell you another number, let's say, let me see whether you can see my board. So probably not. So I'm going to erase. Do you know that? I'm purposely giving a number. You cannot use anybody's hand, okay? Nobody's hand or feet or anything can help you. I'm doing that purposely. So we have a 4,534. Okay, this number is very big, right? But don't worry. You can just think this as, you know, when you are confused, just do this. Think of this as a 4. Can you do that? Just think as 4, okay? Okay, it's 4. 4 plus 8, do I know how to do that? I know how to do that earlier, right? There's many methods. You can do pair of 10. So what's pair of 10 or 4? You can do pair of 10. Pair of 10 for 4 is 6. So 6, 8 is bigger than 6. Then I have 6 and remainder of 2. Then what I do is I just made a pair of 10 here and with remainder of 2. So I write down the remainder of 2 here. And because there's a pair of 10, so I need to have a carry. So this, let me write smaller because carry cannot write as big as the original number. So the carry, this one is from the 4 and 6 because 4 and 6 makes pair of 10, okay? So when I write the 1 here, I always write the 1 below the original number, okay? That's why when I write, I always give myself space. You see that? I give myself space. Don't write things too close because when you write too close, you have no margin. So write something, give yourself space, and write next number, and give yourself space and write next space again, give yourself number. So this way you can write with some, you know, some marks. So now I have a carry of 1. So I put a little mark here, 1. So 1 plus 3 is 4. And then 5 and nobody. So you put 5, bring the 5 down. 4 and nobody is 4. Oh, so the answer should be 4, 5, 4, 2. Let's see where things are make sense, okay? 4, 5, 3, 4. Add a number, so should be after 4, 5, 3, 4. And see, 4, 5, 4, 2, is this after 4, 5, 3, 4? So 4, 5, 3, 4, and then you have 8 numbers on your finger, okay? So what is after 4, 5, 3, 4? It's 4, 5, 3, 5, right? So 4, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 3, 6, 4, 5, 3, 7, 4, 5, 3, 8, 4, 5, 3, 9, 4, 5, 4, 0, 4, 5, 4, 1, 4, 5, 4, 2. Oh my God, I successfully counted to 4, 5, 4, 2. And I also consumed all my fingers. So now 4, 5, 4, 2 is the correct answer, right? So we did 2 approach. One approach with my fingers, one approach used a pair of 10 and it gave me the same result. Okay, so some people, you might need to do a little more practice at home with your parents because math is like English or like Chinese. You need to practice. You don't know how to read Chinese mama until you practice quite often. Your mom tell you, mama, 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 call me mama many, many times. You know what? How many times? Maybe millions of times that they don't even know because the moment you were born, your mom constantly was telling you, oh, mama 来了, right? They always say that, oh, mama is here, mama is there. So mama, that's how a lot of child learns how to say mama, Okay, that's because after thousands repeating of mama, that's the kids learn how to speak mama. Same thing for math. You really have to practice. If you don't practice, this will be like this. Okay, whatever Xinning said, and then tomorrow, disappear. Okay, so you need practice, then it's yours. Okay, so make sure you practice and it become yours. And then you will not be afraid because all math, even some people say, oh, my teacher said I should not use my fingers. Don't worry. If you really need to use fingers, use it. But try your best to minimize it. Use as little fingers as possible. It's okay to use fingers, okay? Don't feel afraid. And then don't tell people that they say, oh, you still use fingers? Who cares? Everybody learn and grow at their own pace, okay? It's okay to use fingers. That's all what I'm trying to say. So let's do some subtraction because this right now we're doing addition and then we're going to do subtraction. I see the kids here are quite young. A lot of the response I got from the facial response, I see that they might be puzzled already with the addition. So you need more practice with parents. The pair of 10 and also the counting scale, okay? So make sure you count and don't be afraid. Another thing I'm going to say, actually before we do subtraction, I'm going to do one more addition. My idea here is to try to make sure everybody's not afraid of math, okay? I can guarantee you nobody is born with genius. Some people might learn faster than others in one subject, and some people might learn faster than others in another subject. So let's say, for example, there are some people who are like genius, but they don't even know how to tie their shoe. Some people might be they invented the Air Force, things like that, but they may not even know how to say speak Chinese. So you are probably better than a lot of people in something already. Just some people are so good in math, but they don't know how to draw, and some people are good in other stuff and they don't know how to dance. So everybody has their own talent, okay? It's okay. And I can guarantee you, if you don't stay away from math, just practice. You will be fine. Math is not a monster, trust me, okay? My daughter, she was when she was young, she was very afraid of math. And when we started doing math, I every time I ask her, I said, what is 2 plus 3? She said, 5. I said, good. Then what about 3 plus 2? And she said, I don't know. And then you guys probably say, oh my God, I already know that, right? So some people say, they can naturally see that 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2 are the same. But some people can't because everybody, their brain are wired a little differently in the beginning. You need to take time to develop the brain nerves. So it's okay, okay? Everything is fine. Everybody are unique. It's not like somebody's dumb than you or smarter than you. It's okay. Just don't forget about it because I know for sure I observe a lot of students and then I see them grow like this. Let me draw a little chart. Then actually knowledge is not as important as mental understanding. Let me make sure you guys have the right mindset. Then we can learn. The right mindset is this: everybody has their own growth rate. Okay, some people grow like this. Woo, that's pretty good. And some people grow like this. Ooh, you will say, oh, this person might be slower because let me show you the chart, okay? This means 1, this means 2, this means 3.
你可以讲中文吗？
讲中文听不懂了是吗？ Everybody understand Chinese?
我们都明白，
不明白，那我试试哈。小朋友们都听得懂中文，对不对？阿姨要跟你们说的是什么呢？这个特别特别重要，因为我们学数学呢，比对那个是一种正常的一个心态来说呢，心态更重要。所以呢，阿姨现在就要把心态先传播给你们哈。我告诉你们哈，有的人的每个人的成长的那个 你知道吗？我中文不是完全的特别的好，可能你们的中文比我还要好。不过我试一下哈，每个人成长的速度呢是不一样的，有的人呢成长的比较快，有的人成长的比较慢。他的速度是这样啊、我今年呢我1岁了，我知识多了一点点。我2岁了，又多了一点点；我3岁了，又多了一点点；我4岁了，又多了一点点；我5岁了，又多了一点点啊，是不是？这是我的成长啊。然后呢，另外一个小朋友的成长这样的，哎呦我的妈呀，他1岁了，现在比我2岁还多一点。我们写上3吧，他看起来比我2岁还多。你看，哦不，他就是2。来，休息啊。你看这样看的话。看到没有？这个小朋友1岁了，就和我2岁一样，哇，好厉害哦，是不是？我是不是应该怕怕呀？妈妈是不是说隔壁的谁谁谁比我厉害？没关系，没关系。哎呀，我还有时间成长呢，我2岁了，我已经到2了。哎呀，我的妈呀，这小朋友已经到6了，我怎么办呢？没关系，没关系，我继续走我的路，我还得慢慢成长。我3岁了，哎，我学了更多知识，现在我的知识相当于3。哟，我的妈呀，这个小朋友已经到了9了。那我呢？我到4了，哎，他到了什么？他到了12了，哎，我到了5了，他到了20了。他是不是比我多呢？也不一定哦。你知道为什么吗？这个小朋友突然间，他特别的爱游戏，特别的爱游戏。然后呢，他就每天在那玩游戏，玩游戏。我不管了，我不管了。最厉害的，我最厉害，我最厉害。你看，别人才5呢，他好多年都赶不上我，赶不上我。知道吗？我要玩游戏，我要玩游戏，反正别人都比我差。你看我妈天天，别人的妈妈都说，你看谁谁谁多厉害，这么小就已经是20了，对不对？好，我在玩游戏哈。然后呢，我这个小朋友，我自己哈，这个心灵阿姨特别特别特别慢，没关系。心灵阿姨呢怎么办呢？我就说我反正比别人慢，没关系，那我就少玩点游戏吧。我就天天学，天天学，天天学，天天学，天天学。嘿，有一天。什么事发生了？你知道什么事发生了吗？我把这个图再画一下，这样你们看得清楚一点。你们知道有一天什么事发生了吗？这个小朋友掉到这里来了，我到这里来了。你知道吗？这个小朋友说：“哦，他不是比我笨吗？啊，他怎么到这里去了？为什么？告诉我为什么？我坚持，他没有坚持，知道吗？很多时候，生活中坚持的人最后胜利了，没有坚持的人就下去了。所以有很多很多比我们聪明的人，小时候比我们特别特别厉害的人，哎，结果长大了反而不一定比我们厉害哦。就是因为我们要坚持，做数学也是啊，学任何语言，你去学跳舞、学画画，你学数学、学中文，你都要坚持，对不对？那我们再举个例子，有个小朋友，哎呀，学中文特别特别快。他今天就1天就可以学20个单词 ，OK？ 我们再举个例子哈，我把这个图画掉了哈。我们现在先举一个例子，是小朋友可以学20个单词1天的小朋友哈。我们现在学，我每天可以学20个单词，我呢只能学1个单词。我是不是比较笨啊？在别人眼里，哇，心灵阿姨只能学1个单词哦，我比她厉害，我可以学20个哦。哎，我可以多花点时间去玩了，对不对？我1个礼拜就学1次，我学20个，对不对？我1个礼拜学1次。好，他1个礼拜学了之后呢，他过了1个礼拜，7天之后他又来学20个，他又学20个，是不是比较多啊？你看，心灵阿姨1天只能学1个，一个。这1年下来呢，1年有多少天？你们知道吗 ？How many days in a year? How many days in a year? Oh my God! Somebody told me you don't know how many days in a year? Are you serious? 家长啊，家长听着啊，你们的功课来了。1年有多少天？一定要跟孩子 go through 一下哈。1年有365天，多数的时候 如果是那个 leap year 是一年360几天，366还是多少？哎呦，我不能说了，万一我说错了，还是回家再检查一遍。反正一年呢，我们大概是365天哈。一年如果是365天的话呢，我这个心灵阿姨啊，一年只学了365个单词。可是心灵阿姨学一个单词的时候呢，特别认真。我把这单词学会了，而且我还知道怎么去造句，我还知道怎么去写文章。我呀，我不仅学会这个单词哦。举个例子哈，你们可能我也不知道你们认识不认识中文单词。这样吧，我们写一个单词哈。我知道人，对不对？我还知道哦，人加一横就变成大哦。我还知道，人字哦，人加一横变成大，对不对？我还可以把人变成什么呀？想一想，人，哦对哈，我们可以把人写成这样，底下加一竖，就变成个了，对不对？所以呢，心灵阿姨每次做那个中文的时候啊，我每天就想着，我看到一个单词就想着另外一个单词，然后想着另外一个单词，然后呢，我还经常做一些联想，做一些想象。举个例子哈，我们再举另外一个例子，比较复杂一点的例子哈。这个单词呢是娃娃，娃娃就表示 children，right？心灵阿姨发现哦，好多单词都有这个东西在里面哦。像心灵阿姨的女儿叫佳佳 ，OK？像我还知道一个单词哦，是提手旁，然后呢是这样子，我知道这个单词叫挂。你有没有发现一个规律啊？还有一个单词哈，是青蛙的蛙。这些单词哦，其实都有个规律，它们的结尾都是啊。你看，娃、加、挂、蛙都是啊结尾哦。我虽然学得慢，我每天学一个，可是我经常会找规律。我去找这些规律，找出来之后呢，我一旦呢看到这个单词，看到这两个土在一起，我就知道它尾音是啊。那我就比别人厉害了，对不对？我就很容易记住。这个小朋友虽然每天学了20课，他开始学了20课，因为他每一个礼拜7天之后再学一点，可是哦，1年之后他某一天他发现他已经忘记前面的了。你知道吗？有很多小朋友学着学着就忘记以前学过的知识了。像心灵阿姨哦，因为我每天做题的时候都会想着，我怎么把以前学的知识跟今天学的知识连到一起呢？你知道吗？因为这样的话呢，因为我天天在想着这些东西，所以我一下啊记住一个，我就能记住所有的另外3个尾音都是啊，你知道吗？还有很多像类似的事情，所以这样的话呢，心灵阿姨东西不仅记住了，我还会造句子，我还会去造词，对不对？然后这个小朋友呢，他只是记住了，然后记住就忘记了。我跟你说吧，就是有一个小朋友哈，因为我认识很多阿姨，也认识很多小朋友，心灵阿姨认识的人有这么多哈，有5000人，5000个哈，5000个小朋友呢。有一些小朋友到了一定年龄，他们刚开始的时候学中文学得很简单，然后呢，因为他没有去像阿姨这样子，每天就会联想记忆啊，然后去多动脑筋，去想一想哈，然后结果怎么着呢？结果就到了他的5年级的时候，他很多单词全都不认识了，你知道吗？真的不骗你的，因为东西哦是要一直，我们的学习，不管你是学中文还是学英文，你都要这样子。我们英文叫做 spiral。所谓 spiral 什么意思啊？就是我昨天学的东西，我再慢慢的学，我在这个基础上学，变成一个雪球，一直滚啊滚。你不知道父母有没有带你去玩雪球哈？如果你们玩雪球的话，就会发现这雪球刚开始小小的，可是我越滚越大，越滚越大，越滚越大。所以呢，学数学或者是学英文还是学中文，学跳舞、学画画，就像雪球一样。你刚开始的时候好像什么都不会，我真的懂得很少哦。可是你只要去坚持，你这个雪球就会变得越来越大，越来越大，越来越大啊！还有一点就是，心灵阿姨要告诉你们的就是，你做任何事情，数学也好哈，中文也好，英文也好，你都要去想，一定要想哈。我们再回到数学。想一想哈，记着哈，一定要想一想，我们在做数学哈。然后呢，生活中所有的事情一定要去观察哦。 观察是非常重要的。你不会观察的话，观察和模仿，我们小的时候呢要多模仿，长大一点呢就要有自己的创意。所以呢，we have to observe the adults and observe people who are better than us and learn from them, and then we create from them. Okay, so we create something new from what we observe and we learn. Okay, so 我们有一个心。We have one heart, and then we have two heart. So what is one heart plus two heart? Do you know? Give me a finger. How many heart? Yes, I see a lot of people give me 3 fingers. Okay, that's good because you don't care. You know this heart. You can think as a heart. You can think as candy. You can think as an apple. You can think as anything. And this are same, right? So it's to us, it's just one thing. 1 of this plus 2 of this is equal to 3 heart. Okay, now a while ago, I believe is one of the child was telling me that said 100 plus 200 is 300. Do you know that? You can think of this way: 100 plus 200. This is same as this, right? So 1 plus 2 is 3, and then 100. So 100 plus 200 equals 300. Okay, now I'm going to change this to something really hard. I mean, maybe or maybe not, right? Let's see. As I said, you always think. So what is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 million plus 5 million? What is that? Is it hard or not? So same thing. We said we're going to treat this whole thing as apple. So 2 apple plus 5 apple equal how many apples? 7. So we have 7 apples. Then we just copy this apple down. Oh, apple is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So don't be scared of big number, okay? Even if number is big, we can treat this whole thing as banana. So we have 2 bananas plus 5 bananas equal 7 bananas. You see that? So next time you can tell your mom or grandma, you say, I know how to do operation. 4 millions, right? You know how to do 4 millions plus 4 millions equal 8 millions. You see that? So addition is not really scary when you go to really, really big number, okay? It's not that scary. So are we short of time? 已经11点55了。你们如果要 stay 的话 ，you can stay 。我可以继续。要吗？还是累了？我看看哈，我看一看，我看看小朋友是不是累着了，好像还是挺 happy 的哦。你们是不是还挺 happy 的？挺 happy 的，我们就再继续哈，继续。阿姨说过哈，我们做数学题一定要观察哈。看，哎呀，我的妈呀！我这里有好多数字哦。8 plus 3 plus 2 plus 7 plus 6。哇，你肯定说阿姨你是疯子，我才这么小，没有人教我这么复杂的东西，你是不是疯了呀？我说我没有疯，来，我们看一看。哎，刚才喜宁阿姨说的我会 pair of 10哦，我们看一看这里有没有 pair of 10啊？哎呀，我找到了。 and 2 are pair of 10。哎呦呦呦呦，我还找到了另外一组 3 and 7。你如果每次找到 pair of 10，什么事发生了？这两个数一起就变成 10了，这两个数又变成10了。哎呦我的妈呀！这就说什么？这个3和7变成10了，然后 A 和2变成10了，那这些数字都不见了，不见了哈。那我只剩下10 plus 10啊，这个我知道，这个我知道。阿姨刚才说了，只看见这两个是一样的，我可以暂且不看。哦，1加1等于2，我会，20，对不对 ？20，right？ 哎，我这里还有个6哦，所以是20加6，所以这一题答案就是26哦 ，26。哈，这么复杂的东西我都会做哦，看到没有？是不是？你们看到没有？把它抄下去好不好？然后仔细观察一下，有人要睡觉了。我觉得我今天就讲到这里，因为很多小朋友很认真，可是我也觉得你们挺辛苦的。我们下次再聊好不好？你们回家好好练一练哈，不要怕，我们下一次可能要找少一点的人，因为我其实还是很希望小朋友能够给我回馈，这样我才能知道有没有真的学会，因为我不能说，哎呀，就是一直往上教，一直往上教，也不管他们，然后小朋友呢，全都不见了，对不对？我要跟着你们一起走，这样我们才能学会，好不好？
谢谢心宁老师，谢谢小朋友们可以打开声音跟心宁老师说谢谢心宁老师。
谢谢老师，
记住啊，每个人都是最棒的，知道吗？你们都是最棒的。
Thank you。老师再见。
OK，
再见。拜。对，这个呢？